I kind of always known about Morrisville, and driving by as a kid, like seeing the horses in the pastures, it was just very intriguing to me. So I just have always kind of known I wanted to come here.
I actually had 2 family members that have graduated from SUNY Morrisville, so I've always known about it. And I toured the campus when I was 10 years old, so it was always in the back of my head. I did a year of college in Florida, but it wasn't what I wanted. So I was like, Morrisville, and I came up here to pursue my dreams of owning an equine facility.
I chose SUNY Morrisville because I was planning on going to vet school, and I really wanted an undergraduate program that would allow me to get a lot of that veterinary science information and education. And I really loved the equine program here, and I feel that it prepared me well to go on to veterinary school.
I was looking for specifically the equine rehabilitation, and it was the only program that I could find that had a pool along with like treadmills and the small therapies.
I love the amount of work you have to do to be involved in the program. It's very much a real world situation, but like in a academic way. So I just think it's important for, if you're going into the industry, to learn how to do all that stuff properly and to be held accountable for it.
My advice would be just to get into the barn, meet people, don't be afraid to ask questions. Everyone's more than willing to show you how things work. Freshman year, it's hard. There's a lot of classes going on and it's a lot of work, but the barn will be your sanctuary.
In the end, you learn so much from these classes here, and it's definitely worth it.